Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a little bit different. We had a little issue with our audio on this one, but we want to still give you a quick walkthrough on the E46 fuel filter repair. The metal cover that protects the fuel filter is located on the driver's side behind the front tire. You will need an 8mm socket to remove 2 nuts and 3 bolts. Now you can just simply lower the cover out of your way. Next up is the hose clamp in the front, your plain tip screwdriver. You can pop off the little vacuum line. Go to the rear. There's 2 hose clamps in the rear that need to be loosened. Just give them a little pry with your screwdriver. Slide the clamps back out of your way. And then you can just slide straight back. Just be cautious, there will be a little bit of fuel that will come out, so have a bucket on standby. You use a 10mm socket to remove the bracket that holds the filter to the car. Just give it a little wiggle and it will drop down. It has a clamp on the back side. What I like to do is just drain the filter, get the excess fuel out of the fuel line, use your Pry Tool to wiggle the hose off. And installation is the reverse, so slide the fuel filter into the front hose and then the 2 rear hoses. Make sure you have them lined up the same way you took them apart. Get your bracket into position, hook it onto the bottom of the car, and then press up. 10mm nut. Then you can work on your hose clamps, sliding them forward and getting them ready to tighten. Once you get all your hose clamps tightened up, add your vacuum line back onto that front. And then you can simply raise the metal cover back. I like to hook the 2 front bolts first. Get in position, grab one of your bolts so it will stay there on its own. And then you'll need your 8mm socket again to tighten everything up. So adding the cover is the last step to this project, so thanks again for watching. I know the audio kind of sucked, but hopefully we gave you the ability to follow along and help you with your repair. I'll see you guys on the next one.